Hi, I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth Imported Car Service. We have an XJ8 in here, and you can see this left rear shock's leaking, and the right rear shock's kind of dry. It was at the dealership, Donna told us, and with the, if you look, the right front shock's leaking airbag, and the left one was trying to. So we're going to do both front, which may help stabilize and correct the rear, but I don't think it's going to correct the rear. I think this car's going to need a left rear, and then it should be done in pairs, airbags. So we're going to advise the owner. You know, we had all four down, but as I get thinking about this more, even if, you know, the Jaguar dealer said just do the front, and we quoted the front and did the front, and that's what he wants done. I still think the rear's going to need to be done to do this job correctly. This is a beautiful car. It's like showroom. Absolutely gorgeous XJ8. I mean, just absolutely immaculate and flawless. So, and anyway, that being said, if you have airbags, you may consider with the this model year and everything that you may want to go ahead and do all four, than to just try and do the two in the front. Think about airbags. Once the set starts to go, then the rear could go, or one opposite side could go. So that's why everything's really kind of done in a pair. So that's it. I'm Sam Smyth from Smyth Imported Car Service here in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's a beautiful Jaguar. We're doing airbag work on it. So if you need airbags done on a Jaguar, please come see us. We also provide all the other normal maintenance services. Wish everyone all the best. Cheers. We're located in Cincinnati, Ohio, and our number is 513-793-0434. And it's Smyth, S-M-Y-T-H, Imports, I-M-P-O-R-T-S.com. And this is an airbag job.